how to change or remove sponsor on Cash App. So here's how it works. You want to go and click on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then here scroll all the way down until you see support. Click on support, and then we just want to search for remove sponsor here. So the adult is going to need to do that. So they can do that by clicking on ending a sponsorship. Here you can read more information about it, and you just want to go and click on chat. You will explain that you would like to cancel or remove a sponsor from your account. So if your child turns 18, then you can explain that to the support. Here you will type, I would like to remove a sponsor from my account, and you will type out their cash tag here, just like that, and you want to click on send, and Cash App support is going to assist you with this issue. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.